Hello, my name is Rachel. In this video, we'll be looking at how to remove audio from a video using Canva and VLC. Let's get right into it. Here on Canva, we will choose a doc type we want to work on, and we'll be choosing a video doc type. So we are choosing this video doc type that is 1920 by 1080. Let's click on it and see what that gives. Once you're on Canva, we come over to upload. You must have uploaded the video you want to use. If you've not done that, you click here and upload the video you want to be removing the audio from. So let's drag and drop a video we want to remove the audio from. Here I drag and drop the video down here. This is the video I want to remove the audio from. Position it, fit it to the screen properly, and I click out. Once we've dragged and dropped this video here, you will look top right here, you will see the audio volume. You click on it, you unmute it. So let's play the video and see if it still has volume. Let's preview and see if it still has volume. Like so. If you want to add back the audio to it, you click on it and unmute. You can regulate how the volume goes on. You can decide. The beautiful thing about Canva is that you can work on any clip while you edit your video that you want to remove a audio from. Now let's remove audio for our VLC from a video. We'll be picking up a video, and a video that has audio. Here is the video we want to remove audio from. Let's play it and see the audio. So now we've played it and we've seen the audio. Let's go back here and remove the audio for the video. So now we'll go over to VLC. We'll click on VLC. If you don't have it on your shortcuts, you can always browse your VLC down here. If you don't have it installed, you get it installed. Once you're in VLC, we'll go over to Media. We click on Media. We go over to Convert and Save. Once we click on Convert and Save, we'll add the video we want to remove the audio from the video here. We click on the Add button and select the video, this same video I played. This is the video, then we'll click on it. The video is added, then we'll go down and click on Convert and Save. Once you are in Convert and Save, we'll click here and choose this particular video plus MP3. We click on it and we'll go over to this tool, Edit Selected Profile. We selected the profile of the video we want to work on. We click on Edit Selected Profile. Now you see under here, these are all the things that the video has. So we'll go to Audio Codec. Once you're on Audio Codec, we click on, we uncheck the audio part of it and we click on Save. Then we'll come over here and browse the destination we want this file to save on. So let's see where we want to save it on. We click on Browse. We want to save it here, but we want to name it without audio. Then we hit Save and hit on Start to remove the audio from the video. If you look down here, it's converting the video, moving the audio from it. Let's wait for it to finish up doing that. It has converted, so let's go and play the video, remove the audio for. Let's go back to our file manager This is the video we remove the audio for. Let's play it and see whether it still has the audio on it. We click on it. As you can see, the video is without audio. Now I've shown you the two methods, how to remove the audio using the Canva and how to remove the audio using the VLC method. Let me know in the comment section which method you prefer. For me, I prefer using the Canva because while I'm working on Canva and I'm editing my video and I want to remove an audio from the video, I can easily do that. And I prefer the VLC for some reason. I can easily remove audio from the video while on offline mode, but I can't do that for Canva because Canva is an online editing app. So let me know in the comment section which of these audio remover you prefer and why you prefer them. Thank you so much for watching. If you got value from this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like, hit the like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye.